Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to our channel Commenters Analyzer TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time, according to the place where you for they watch our video. Yes, so today we don't carry another one comment. So now this channel is all about comment section. We dey work out for all comment section. No comment section where we not they go. Anyone when draw our attention, we will fall out with the comment section. So my people, we will fall out with the comment section, and this one we get interest for this matter and make us carry and comment. Aproko no verse or aproko Godfather no verse. We carry your write up and we still enter your comment section because it's our work. The write up is say, before we go to the comments, let's bring out the write up. It say una see as Ebony matter they still hold Monica now. Ebony did not do her anything. Later she will be saying she did not do people anything. And they are fighting her. Why can't Monica mind her business in this social media? Monica was the one who made people not to respect. Monica was the one who made people not to be respecting Edo movie industry, because she was the one who started to bring their matter to analyze on social media. No one in Edo movie industry, Monica has no fault. She says she is Iyeki and leader. Nobody questioned her. Ebony says she is Edo first daughter, and Monica is questioning Ebony. What is this little girl called Monica problem? So my people, we will go the comment section now. We'll see waiting people talk about this video, this write up. Okay, let's go to the comment section. The first comment say, I just tired for Monica. She talk once she no rest. When she shame and disgrace enter, when her shame and disgrace enter social media, Ebony not talk put. If she just hear Ebony matter, she go just carry for head. Now so she dey sleep with different men. Ebony not dey husband has. What of she when the husband has, when they sleep around his? After that first comment, Aproko the Godfather can't reply the comment, so we not screenshot that part. So we will take the next comment. The next comment can say, anybody when not they support Ebony now una probre abi abeg make this poster get she can't put comma, make she reply Monica now. The next comment say, anywhere I see her video, I dey scroll down quick, and I have no single like for that woman. I swear I do not know why I not they even see her video self. She is disgusting. Now know why she talk that one. No, me I don't know. We know they chook our mouth for waiting no concern also. The next comment can say, no, they not go tell her now. Egu Gambia, aka Baba Wala Sachik. People, this comment section, now fight they fight for this. So we run, we borrow our leg. We borrow shoe, join our leg, they run for this comment section. We don't want to choke our mouth because you understand now. All right, my wonderful people, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. It's just a short video because now post Aproko Godfather just drop, not be video. So now video they get much comment. This one are just how many comments they did. We read the one we feel read, the one we no want read for there. We still leave on for now. Thank you, my wonderful commenters, Analyzer TV fans. God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe on your notification bell in case whenever I post a video, now go see our video. Please don't forget to give our video like this, gang, give our video thumbs up, and also share our video. God bless you. I love you all from Commenters Analyzer Video channel.